Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about dogelonmars. This week on crypto Twitter. Elon Musk's diamond hands, Tom Brady responds to Vitalik. As spring arrives in the northern hemisphere and temperatures warm, so too did crypto markets, with most leading cryptocurrencies up from last Sunday after a stagnant winter. But garnering even more attention. Elon being Elon. On Monday, Tesla and SpaceX CEO asked his followers for thoughts about probable inflation rate over next few years, and was inundated with replies, some serious, some just shilling Musk's favorite memecoin, Doge, including a tweet from MicroStrategy CEO, and Bitcoin hodling maxi Michael Saylor. Saylor tweeted, in part, United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Musk replied 12 minutes later, it is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion, adding shortly thereafter, as a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge. So, there you have it. Near Crypto Predictions projects the price could rise to 0.000001464 and fall to $0.0000009958 before the end of February. During the month, the price is expected to average $0.000001171. In March, the projections showed the price could average $0.00000012407. The platform predicts dogelonmars is likely to begin the second quarter with an uptrend. However, the typical ups and downs could see the value of an Elon coin touch a low of $0.000001127, but a rally would push the price to a high of $0.000001657. The meme coin is expected to gain value in May and June, to average $0.000001412 and $0.000001503, respectively. CryptoPredictions.com forecasts dogelonmars to rise to $0.000001878 in June, setting a new high for the first 6 months. Q3 and Q4, as per the predictions, the buyers could push prices higher in the third quarter, and eventually cross the $0.0000002. During the 3 months, the price is expected to range between $0.000000135057028 and $0.000000219557789. CryptoPredictions.com algorithm projects dogelon growth to continue without slowing down. The coin of Elon is expected to trade between $0.00000015571595505 and $0.000000246781981 in the last quarter. The price is expected to average $0.000000246781981 in October, $0.00000019061640997 in November, and $0.00000019742558848 in December. Dogelonmars is currently worth $0.000000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is dogelonmars, Elon, a good investment? How much will dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, dogelonmars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.0000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon Mars market price could increase to $0.000000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.000000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.000000132, with an expected price of $0.000000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As science and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.0000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.000000192, a low price of $0.000000186, and an expected price of $0.000000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.0000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs.